Hi, I'm Jim Houston, and this is Don Taylor.
Houston? Does that mean you're the son of Hugh?
No, it means I'm the son of Houston.
But wouldn't that make you Houston's son?
Kids, stay in school.
Daze dumps the puck in. Robitaille. Thibault stones him cold.
I think Freud would have agreed that sometimes a shot is just a shot.
Lidstrom. Robitaille. Clem gets hold of the puck. Chicago puts its second line out. Daze gets bumped off the puck. Detroit takes control. Robitaille. Thibault shuts the door. Yager fires. Saved by Thibault. Yager with a wrist shot. Saved by Thibault.
I hear there are some openings and put the puck in the net one-on-one.
In all alone. Joseph made the save. Schaefer. Solani corrals the puck. Lemieux shoots it hard. Audette now with it. Berezin.
With moves like that, he could win this game all by himself.
Housley gets the shot off. Sullivan jumps on the loose puck. Timonen. And that's icing. Kuba. Nieuwendyk has the puck. Tanguay. Yzerman scores.
There's goals in them Nar Hills.
Detroit looks confident in the early going.
Jim, this is a team of winners. They take a freakish pleasure in making this look so easy.
Assisted by number 40.
Robitaille one-times it.
And by number 25, Joe Nieuwendyk.
Thibault denies him. Thibault freezes the puck. Jamnov face-offs like a wild man.
Is face-offs even a verb? Jim, sometimes you're really out there.
Daze shoots it. He scores. Detroit
Had an early lead, but now they're facing a challenge.
Not to worry, Jim. This is why they have those things called practices. These guys spend their time on the ice, not around the pool.
42, John Clem.
Caberlet with the puck. Tanguay takes possession. It's 3-on-1. The door is shut by Thibault.
He took care of business with the flick of a stick.
Thibault freezes the puck. Audette. He cleared it. Detroit touches up for the icing call. Yzerman wins the draw. Shoots quickly. He scores. It just crossed the line, but it counts.
Let's just sit back and savor every moment of that awesome goal on the replay.
Is on top of its game tonight. On top and in control of this period.
I think it's that whole alpha dog thing.
Assisted by number 18, Philip.
Shot the puck. Denied by Thibault.
Another night, another game, another save. And yet, it's never boring.
Fitzgerald cranks one. He takes control of the puck. Breakaway. Tanguay fires. Saved by Thibault.
The play came down to him versus the puck, and the guy with the funny mask wins.
And he covers up.
Maybe it's because you actually stink, and no one has the heart to tell you.
Housley takes control of the puck.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Daze gets laid out. Yager gets hold of the puck. Off the post. Put the first period in the books. The Red Wings are
Showing a strong passing game.
Jim, you might say their lead is amassing from their first-class passing.
Welcome back, everybody. Wow, this game is off to a great start.
Keeping it close, just the way I like it.
Jamnov. Sullivan controls the puck. Yager gets it. Robitaille gets away a hard shot. Clem picked it up. Sullivan gets laid out.
In case you're wondering, that was a really big hit.
Yager shoots it. Turned away.
That save makes me a happy man. Happy like Dusty the Rodeo Clown.
Daze. Housley scoops up the loose puck. Yager. Brilliant save by Thibault.
He may not get to skate around like the other guys, but he's still having fun.
Sullivan gets muscled off the puck.
This guy graduated from the School of Hard Knocks and moved on to the College of Crushing.
Robitaille. Thibault denies him, and he covers up for the face-off. Lemieux won the face-off. Brewer shot the puck. Berezin. Chicago scoops it up. Mironov. Gaudette. Berezin grabbed it. Mironov gobbles it up. Riki. It's one-on-one. Berezin misses the net. Brewer takes possession of the puck. Solani grabs it. Lemieux has it now. Shoots. Thibault closes the door.
He stops the offense in their tracks.
Thibault hangs on for the whistle. Housley with the puck. Yzerman wipes out Zhemnov. Breakaway. Shoots the puck. Joseph closed the door.
From the goalie, defiance.
Tanguay shoots the puck. Thibault stones him.
Not tonight. Not this net. No how.
Thibault freezes the puck. Korolev. Berezin stretches out to get by his man.
Why keep two hands on your stick when you don't have to?
Robitaille runs over Korolev. Lidstrom. Yager grabs the puck. Detroit has it. Yager stick save by Thibault.
Someone said shot, and he said not.
The Blackhawks dump the puck in. Robitaille gets the pass from Joseph. Icing called against Detroit.
Well, the fans are on their feet, Dunn.
Zhemnov wins the draw. Blocked. Sullivan shoots the puck. Detroit gets it. Schaefer. Solani corrals it. Taken out.
Is that really the best he could do?
Housley gets hold of the puck. Daze. He dumps it in. Detroit has it now. Lemieux. Brewer gets a hold of it. Schaefer now with it. Timonen now has it. Blocked. Arneson. Marha corrals the puck. It's one-on-one. Arneson scoops up the loose puck. He gets flattened.
He just flipped that guy's proverbial burger. Ah, yes, between periods. My Pee-wee coach told me that's when I played my best hockey.
Hey, wait a minute. They can't replace me.
Hi, and welcome back to this close-fought hockey game. Let's drop the puck on the third period.
Korolev mowed down.
Yes, that's more of what we came here to see.
Yager, big save by Thibault.
That save was so sweet it made the shooter cry.
Korolev gets rubbed off the puck. Robitaille fires hard.
That was a heck of a shot, if you ignore its fundamental lack of accuracy.
Lidstrom knocks him off the puck.
There's quite the disagreement going on down on the ice.
Well, the fights can happen, and they're more than just slapping.
Hope you never happen.
No.
And there's our winner.
Looks like major punishment has got him lying at attention.
Zhemnov won the face-off. Blocked.
A 5-minute major for
Lidstrom with the puck.
to number 89, a 5-minute major for fighting.
Daze. Zhemnov got it. Zhemnov
Plays a little peekaboo with the puck.
Robitaille. Yager has the puck. It's one-on-one. Robitaille with a wrist shot. Clem. Sullivan with the puck. Goes to the backhand. Detroit is watching in horror. One of their players can't get up. Tanguay will have to take a little break from the proceedings.
Better safe than sorry, Jim.
No arguments there.
Daze shoots the puck. Clem
Should have stopped right there when he saw the numbers on the back of the guy's sweater.
Checking from behind is not cool, kids.
Timonen gets the puck. Solani, great save by Thibault. Thibault freezes the puck. Korolev. In all alone. Berezin shoots. Williams, he gets laid out. Riki takes possession of the puck. Berezin. Shoots it hard. Saved by Joseph.
There was no chance of that shot going in. Well, maybe a little chance.
Audette, offside. Audette. Yager scoops up the loose puck. Turned away. Delayed call against Mironov. Mironov will serve time for cross-checking.
He just needed a little alone time, Jim. And he'll get it in the box.
Detroit
Is up a man, and that spells trouble for the home team.
They'll need to dig deep. Scores! Just because you have one in the box doesn't mean you can't put one in the net. Sometimes power plays get overly aggressive and make a mistake, and he did a good job of capitalizing on one. The outcome of this is up to those 10 guys on the ice, 12 if you count the goalies, and they've got less than 5 minutes to decide it.
Zhamnov. Mironov steps back onto the ice, meaning we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. The Blackhawks dump the puck in. Robitaille. A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw. Lock draw, Jim, you know. Geez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
No. Detroit wins the race and beats out the icing call. Lemieux shoots it hard. Audette got it. Korolev gets laid out.
I'm trying to figure out a way to tag happily ever after onto that, but it's just not working.
Korolev. Kubat. McAlpine gets hold of the puck. Caberlet. Detroit picked it up. Kubat. Fires hard. Blocked. Fired it hard. Thibault turned the shot away. Kubat had his pocket picked. Yzerman takes possession of the puck.
A tie is never comfortable, and both teams will try to work their way out of it in OT. I'll make no bones about it. Overtime is not for the faint of heart.
Let's see how the first OT frame plays out here, Don.
Daze scoops up the loose puck. It's one-on-one.
How come when I try that, I always end up falling on my face?
Lemieux gets called for a two-line offside pass and play is stopped. Lemieux. Icing against Detroit. The face-off goes to the Blackhawks. Blocked! Lemieux rubbed off the puck. Chicago in control now.
Can we sign off yet?
No, we still have about 2 minutes left to cover.
Minutes. They won't miss us.
Joseph makes the save. Yzerman. Lemieux fires it. Clem picks up the puck from Thibault. Daze has it. He dumps it in on the inboards. Detroit scooped it up. Yzerman. Lemieux goes offside and the play is stopped.
If you cash in all of your retirement savings and sell your house, you can buy seasons tickets for the next 10 years. On an unrelated note, seasons tickets are now on
Bell.
sale.
Lidstrom takes control. Yager. Calder. Gets away a hard shot. Joseph denied him. McAlpine with the puck. Great save by Joseph. Yager.
Two evenly matched squads have met tonight and neither side gave an inch.
So the other side couldn't take a mile?
Something
And
like
now
that.
for the three-star selection. Tonight's third star for Chicago.